Welcome to the PCB inspection series. In this episode, we'll focus on mark point inspection on PCBs and the crucial evaluation of flatness. Mark point seemingly small marks play a crucial role in PCB. They serve as benchmarks for components. Now, we'll demonstrate how to perform a mark point inspection. Workers use tweezers to meticulously check the position and accuracy of each mark point. This ensures proper component alignment on the PCB in later stages of production. In the latter part of this, we'll delve into the flatness. Let's demonstrate the steps of flatness. Workers place the PCB on a marble tabletop, observing the edges to ensure it meets stringent flatness standards. Mark point and flatness inspections are crucial in the entire PCB manufacturing process. Any questions sharing are welcome in the comments. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to meeting you again.